Hello everyone, welcome. I'm Jimmy of jdflutes. Thank you so much for stopping by, folks. This one here is my newest design. This is my double drone in the key of G, tuned to 528 Hertz, the frequency of love. It has been produced from aromatic cedar. This flute here has such a wonderful, clear tone. And as you notice on my new designs, I have the mouthpiece, I have the blowholes really close together. And one's just a little bit higher than the other. You shouldn't have any problems playing this flute. It should be extremely comfortable in your mouth. And you shouldn't be getting any warble sounds on your bottom notes. It should be one of the easiest drones that you ever play. This one here has my one turquoise stone fetishes on the block. Beautiful piece of cedar up on the bottom. jdflutes in the key of G, 528 Hertz. I'm going to do a very short sound sample. And if you would like to have one of these here, I'll put the link below this video to where you can purchase you one. And I really appreciate it. And I will have it on sale, folks. G, 528 Hertz, 6-hole flute. Folks. Like I said, if you would like to have one of these, I'll put the link below this video, and I will be honored to create you one. I will have it on sale, folks. Thank you so much for everything.